Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a registered Wikipedia account and confirming your email. This gives you edit weight and transparency. Once done, locate the existing article and the precise section where your link will add value. Make sure you already have 2-3 reliable, independent sources that directly support the statement you plan to add. Now open the article and click Edit. Don't paste the link yet. Instead, prepare a short, neutral sentence that the citation will justify. You should draft your change in your sandbox to test wording and citation formatting. Next, add the sentence to the target article using neutral language, then insert the citation with ref tags or a site template. Include title, author, date, and URL. Preview the edit to confirm the ref renders correctly and that the link appears as a citation rather than an external spam link. Make sure the content directly supports the claim, otherwise the edit will likely be removed. You now save with a clear edit summary explaining why the reference source improves the article. Be specific. After saving, monitor the page for reverts and check your watch list. If someone challenges the edit, respond politely on the article talk page and explain the source's relevance. If your change is reverted, don't repeatedly repost. Instead, gather stronger independent sources, improve the wording, or open a neutral request for input from experienced editors. This prevents sanctions and increases acceptance chances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.